Hello, friends. How are you doing today? Just to say hi. Yeah, this Sunday evening, let me just move around to see how things are. The weather is getting better. Let me just drive around for a few minutes to see how things are. Yeah, the weather is good, and so many people are outside playing. I see them park their cars around, and you see those people coming out, the other people inside the field. So the weather is good. This is spring, but we're getting closer to summer, and you see people putting on shorts. And so, see, so we're glad that very soon we shall begin to come out as usual to enjoy the beauty of the nation before going back again. And this is Chicago. You see some kids over there enjoying their own sports with their parents. Let's just look around. Not much talking. Let's just maybe one day we'll go to downtown and then you see the beautiful place. This is just let me drive through Douglas Park so that the place I left is Douglas Park. By my right, Douglas Park. So it's a very big place. That's it. On my right. See, just like a park, people can come out and stay, picnic, and their families can come out just to relax. When the weather gets better, go, I guess, hotter, and the trees will be nice again with their leaves covering every place, providing shades. Then people will come out to enjoy the good weather. Let me take a ride. That's part of Douglas Park. See the field by my right, still Douglas Park. Yeah, I can see some people inside here. Just trying to drive, taking it down Douglas Park. You can see some people over here doing their own sports. There's a lot of fields for different sports. straight ahead is still Douglas Park, but it's one way, so you cannot go straight, you cannot go. So you cannot go through that place. So let me take a right, come out from there. So this is Douglas Park, on the right. Okay, now let me take here. Douglas Park by both left and right. They are all Douglas Park. Left, right, Douglas Park. See where the children are playing by the left. This is right, Douglas Park. around. That's the field. And let me go to the exact place I started so that you see that I just went around the blocks, went around Douglas Park. And that's the place I started. I passed through this place. That's the field I started initially. I'll show you the exact place I parked before moving. So I'll show you that I just went right around the park. It's a very big park. And for people living around this area, they can come and enjoy themselves, come. Yeah. And so, if you can remember, that's the exact building I started. This is the place I parked before I started. So I was able to take you around Douglas Park to show you that it's a very big place. Yeah, that's a sign of a developed area. People should be given a space for exercise and for relaxation. That's what people from the third world country should emulate. It's just little things that can make them to be among the first world. Not the Muslim demand at the third world. It's not started like third world country, the second and the first. It's something like that. So that's exactly the reason why I want to show around so that people should know that this is doable. Every land should not be built a house. Life is more than building houses. Thank you, friends, and God bless you.